Qieding Wetland Community Beautification 成 Senior Volunteer Action 成 Cattail Handcraft Experience.
The journey began with getting to know the wetland environment. Guided by interpreters, volunteers followed the footsteps of the tour leaders to explore the ecological wonders of Qieding Wetland. Every patch of grass and every pool of water here nurtures countless lives. From the black-faced spoonbill to the gray heron and the kingfisher, each migratory bird's arrival tells a story of the changing seasons and the endless rhythm of nature. The volunteers were amazed to discover that this land is not only beautiful but also rich in ecological value and cultural meaning. After learning about the environment, they began hands-on beautification work. Some removed invasive weeds. Others trimmed vegetation along the boardwalk, while a few collected litter to restore the wetland's vitality. Every action was a gesture of care for the land. It wasn't just cleaning, it was a cleansing of the heart.
Amid the sweat and effort, everyone realized that environmental protection is not a slogan but a practice of persistence and love.
Next came the Cattail Handcraft workshop.
Sitting in a circle, the volunteers learned to weave with cattail leaves, plants that grow naturally in the wetland. Under the instructor's guidance, they transformed these humble materials into beautiful creations such as baskets, coasters, and eco-friendly decorations. This activity bridged environmental education with creative sustainability, breathing new life into natural resources through human hands. That day, the volunteers did more than beautify the environment, they nurtured their connection with the land. In the gentle embrace of nature, the power of the community quietly takes root. Qieding Wetland grows greener and more vibrant with life, nourished by the heartfelt dedication and hard work of its local people. As morning light shimmered across the wetland, cattail leaves softly intertwined between fingers, echoing the heartbeat of the earth. Smiles glowed like sunlight filtering through reeds, warm and sincere. Every woven strand became a dialogue between people and nature. In this realm where water and light meet, creation transcended craft. It became emotion, transforming the stillness of the wetland into the warmth of daily life and the texture of living memory.